Next station, heaven. Passenger can connect to hell at this station. Thank you. From a very good road to something else. Okay, so I'm not gonna explain more about roads in Laos because everywhere it's going to be the same, whatever. And I am going to drive to hell, to this station, to show you something quite special. It's not far from town to go to this place. It's just about 1 kilometer away from the good road. That's quite nice. It's quite big, well. Say you love me, well, I love you more. Say you love me, well, I love you more. Oh, very nice views over here. My goodness, I'm very excited for that. I've been here for 7 years. It's become a village now. Before that was only forest, and it's really big jungle. So I forget where to get to the place. I'm gonna ask my friend. Hello. What is your name? He's staring at me. My name is Somnuek. Okay. Can I ask you please? You know how far from here to get to the waterfall? Hello. Hello. He's so arrogant, boy. He's not answering me. He's like, whatever. I'm busy with my food. Anyway, thank you for your help. It's really beautiful views over here, but sadly, you know, over there is also many houses that they're building now. And on the way, I see quite a big village over there. Compared to 7 years ago when I came here, it was 100% forest and beautiful, you know, nature around. And now it's changed. I mean, people comes to build a village and it's gonna be destroyed soon. So here's the sand they prepared to build something over here. Oh, look at these. The flower that I showed you before, there's a lot of them over here. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. This is the sign to get to the place that I'm going to show you, but I forget which direction. The small trail here or the big one over here. Okay, so I'm gonna explore the big one first. If not this one, I'm gonna get back to follow the small trail over here. I hope this is the right one, please. I don't think so. This one is gonna be a farm. I think it's the farm, this one. No, I'm sure it's gonna be this one. So from here I can't drive my motorbike, so I'm gonna walk this small trail over here. And over here is really quiet, no one at all, and I am alone. Before this, 7 years ago when I came here, I think there's a small hut over here and sell the tickets. And this time is nobody is very quiet. I think they stopped it because of no tourists come here quite a lot. Wow, look at that, very big trees. So look at the river. It's very small now. You see the river? It's really small. And I'm sure this trail is the one that tourists or people can go up to the village. And the village name is Tat Thong village. It's the same village as the one I already showed you on my video. I think it's because of dry season. So this place is called Tat Thong. Tat Thong means the waterfall Thong. Waterfall Thong. But now it's very small river because of dry season, and also they stopped doing the business, and they used to have a small hut over here for tourists to buy the ticket. So now I'm going to drive back to the town, and I will try to get back to this place again with my friends and do the trekking up to the village over there. Okay.